Sicela whatever be-March and March basiphendule ke. Sicela ama-answers. Nilwa nama-drugs. He had nothing to do with drugs, this boy. Nilwa nama-illegal foreigners. A South African Tsonga boy. 19 years old. Like an animal. Estradini. Ngesilwana somhlatshelo singcono ngoba sona siyahlonishwa. It's given some sort of dignity. This young man, a 19-year-old young man, died on the streets of South Africa, his homeland, his home country. He was murdered by Xhosa people because he couldn't speak his Xhosa. Sicela nisichazeleni ngoba phela lokhu niyasi-explainela nina. Lokhu nisitshela ukuthi us understand what this movement is about. Make us understand. When we tell you that this movement is about nothing except black on black violence, you are doing exactly what Amabhunu came and did to black people. They have programmed you so much that abasadingi ukwenza next. Bahleli basibukele siyabulalana. It's gonna be 1976. In 1976, black people died for real things. Black people died for their land. Black people died for human rights. Black people were being unalived by an apartheid government. Say yini manje apartheid government? Say yini abo de Klerk? Lento eniyenza ama-foreigner beyenziwa ogogo wenu 30 years ago. Less than 50 years ago, your grandparents that you witnessed and babonile baphila went through what you are putting black people through. My grandmother fought in the struggle for you to turn around and kill a young black South African man for being Tsonga. Isitha senu bantu base South Africa siyaziqhenya ngani. Abekho abantu abathokoza ngani njengamabhunu nabelungu. You are their greatest triumph. You are a disgrace to humanity. This is a disgrace to Africa. I can't imagine what this boy's mother is going through. Niyovuka nini bantu abamnyama?
So yesterday, a 19-year-old Tsonga boy was killed amidst xenophobic riots. And that has had me thinking about xenophobia in South Africa. Xenophobia in South Africa, particularly in the black community, is very much Afrophobic, because when we think of immigrants from other countries, particularly white immigrants, we don't pay them as much mind or assume that they're legal. But once someone has darker skin, because the immigrants that get the most flack are those from Zimbabwe and Nigeria, and those countries are known to have darker skinned people. It's a massive problem in that case. Dark skin has now kind of been attributed to, oh, you're not from here. But people who are from here have dark skin. And as South Africans, we are aware of this, that we come in all races, shapes, colors. So this like Afrophobia within xenophobia has also victimized groups who are citizens of South Africa. There's also so many analogies and experiences of Tsonga people being mistaken as foreigners for their dark skin and having experienced xenophobia as a result of that, despite being South African. The prevalence of xenophobia within South Africa is just quite ridiculous, in the sense that xenophobia is just wrong. Also in the sense that it's quite ironic, as it comes back and victimizes people who are actually citizens of South Africa. Truly, when someone's being xenophobic, there's no time for you to pull out your ID card or your passport to say, no, yes, I am South African. They're unfortunately gonna do what they want and say what they want, which we've seen. Unfortunately, may he rest in peace. The thought also arises that many people may only sympathize with this case and only call for justice for him and converse about it because he happens to actually be South African and not from another country. As if the atrocities within a South African being killed and not a person, a human being killed. And this directly relates to the content of June 30th, where South Africans are just thrilled to kick out all the illegal immigrants. But that deserves its own conversation.
We knew that this xenophobia was supposed to be a tribalism. Ntlamulo's crime was being Tsonga in a Xhosa-speaking community. That's why they thought he doesn't deserve his life. They thought he deserved to die on the street without committing any crime. His crime was being Tsonga in Mossel Bay where Xhosas lives. They saw him as a sacrificial lamb. His crime was not living among Tsonga people in South Africa within the boundaries of his own country. They saw him as a foreigner. They saw him as an illegal immigrant just because he is not Xhosa, he's Tsonga. Julius Malema warned us about this thing long time ago. He warned us about this thing long time ago.
When you are done with Nigerians, when you are done with Mozambicans and Zimbabweans and Zambians, you are going to go for Shangans from Guyana. I have to stop you now before you come to me. Now some of us can't even talk your language. They are going to ask us to make certain pronouncements in their language and we can't pronounce Wow. Back to Limpopo.
Satana schools, when they started singing Weshangane Suga Ndleleni, people came for us. We warned about this thing. Now an innocent life is lost just because of greedy, ignorance, non-readers that claim to be patriots. It's sad. Where is our Ubuntu, South Africans? Where is the love that God has built us on? Sifike kanjani lana? Sifike kanjani? I'm asking myself one question. Sifike kanjani lana? South Africans, sifike kanjani la? Is this the life we want to live for our kids? Is this how the future generation must look like? Is this the division we want the next generations of South Africans to inherit? Sifike kanjani la? Sifike kanjani? As a Zulu speaking man married to a Tsonga, a woman, you're not sure whether your wife will come back once they leave in the morning going to work because you don't know what might happen to them. You don't know. Sifike kanjani la? As a Zulu speaking lady, as a Swati speaking lady, you don't know what will happen to a Tsonga husband when they go to work. You're not even guaranteed whether they will come back from work or they will be told that they are foreigners in their own native country. Sifike kanjani la? Tomorrow, they will kick all of us as Zulu speaking people, Swati speaking people, Ndebele speaking people, and Xhosa speaking people in Limpopo. They will tell us to go back home because our fathers, our brothers back in KZN, they are busy and unaliving people for no good reason. Our brothers in KZN, our brothers in Western Cape, our brothers in Eastern Cape, they are busy dealing with Tsongas and vendors, not knowing that they are South African by birth. South Africans, sifike kanjani? Sifike kanjani? Is this the highest level of Ubuntu we can serve? Is this how we want to be known? Where is our Africanism? Where is our Ubuntu? Mbuzo wami usamile, sifike.
Dumelang Bageshu. I hope you are well. I'll try to do this video because of Kenyaka the people who doesn't understand Sepedi to hear me on this one. Bageshu, this is not good. This is bad. What's happening now in South Africa? It's totally not good. It's inhuman. Bageshu, a young man from Limpopo, just got killed on the 31st of May. He was stabbed to death in Mossel Bay, in Western Cape. Bageshu, this is very bad. This is sad. This is heartbreaking. As an African boy, I expect to be free whenever I walk around, whenever I walk in any place which is in Africa, at any place which is in Africa. I expect to feel free. Even outside, actually, everywhere, as a human being, you expect to be free wherever you walk or wherever you are. Things that kills people is kill animals. Those are animals. People should not kill people. No, 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 no. If you are a person and you start killing people, you are an animal. What happened to this young man is very painful, Bagishu. It's very painful and disappointing for us as South Africans. What happened to this young boy? Ish, I don't know, guys. I don't know. This is wrong, man. This is out of hand. This is out of hand. Please stop what you are doing. Stop what you are doing. Oh, woman. Whoever did this, all those people who did this, they should be brought to justice. They should not get away with this. I've read somewhere that some of them, they even went to the mother and told her that, asked her, where are the other Shangani people around who are living here? Where are the other like, it looks like they it's not enough for them. They still want to kill more. No. This is wrong. Justice for Nhlamulo. He was just killed for being a Tsonga guy in a Xhosa community. He was just killed for that. No, this is wrong. This is wrong. We are Africans, guys. We are South Africans. I won't say anything about whatever is happening now in South Africa, but when it comes to when it goes this far, guys, we need to all stand up now. We cannot allow this. We cannot, Bakish. We cannot allow this. This is wrong. The family is crying now. A young boy, 19 years, 19 years. Killed like a dog. Killed like an animal on the street. No, come on, guys. Come on. Aye, this is wrong. Stop what you're doing, Bagishu. Stop what you're doing. You're bringing pain to families. Eh? So what should we do now? What should we do now in Limpopo? We should do like you. What you just did in the Western Cape. We should do like you. We should be like you now. No, we cannot. We cannot be like you. We cannot do that. It's wrong. You cannot kill another human being. You cannot. Just for being maybe a little bit darker than you. Just for being a little bit darker than you. For talking or for using a different language than you. Then you say, no, this one doesn't deserve to be here. No, you can't. No, guys, please. Western Cape people. Actually, everyone in South Africa, whoever is thinking of doing something like this is wrong. Please stop that. We are all Africans. Eh? No, man, we are all Africans. We cannot be fighting against each other. We should be building. Eh? No. This is wrong, Bagish. This is wrong. Justice for Nhlamulo. Whoever did this deserves to rot in jail. Whoever did this has to be brought to justice.
Okay, before I start this video, I want to say condolences to the Sambo family who have just lost their 19-year-old son, Nhlamulo, who has been killed in the recent riots in Mossel Bay. We have been saying that there's no way you can identify who is South African and who is not, because black South Africans look very much similar to their brothers that come from other African countries. In addition to that, we have been saying that you cannot take the law into your own hands. You are not trained to be law enforcement. At the same time, we have been saying that any form of discrimination, hatred, or singling out of black people based on how they look and say that they are foreigners is going to cause problems. I myself particularly have said that with violence that is towards Africans, it will eventually come home. And now we are in this sad day where somebody has been killed. And the person that has been killed is a South African. Not that it makes it any better if that person was an African coming from another African country. How many more people are supposed to die for this madness to stop? And by the singling out of Africans and us as black people, transferring our frustrations with government, our frustration with joblessness, our frustration with immigration towards our black African brothers, how will that solve any of our problems? Now, if you love this country and you're a person who believes in peace, a person who believes in order, a person who believes in law, you'll understand why we shouldn't be taking the law into our own hands in any small form or any big way. Because innocent people are going to get killed. Innocent people are going to get hurt. You may rejoice at this, but it's actually very sad.
Far as now, the guys. Tani South Africa, tani province ya Limpopo, tani Gaza nation. Elangtana na problem ya tribalism. Ya xenophobic lebyi nga kona ku nga ku mobilizweni ka ku Matsonga Machangana. Faneke va huma la South Africa or va dlayiwa hi nhlangano wa March and March. Hey guys, a hi swi tekelanga nhlokweni loko ka vulavula nkulukumba un'wana va rizayile a ni tivi ku huma a bush or njhani mara accent ya yena nga ku na vubush nyama. A hi swi tekelanga nhlokweni loko a vulavula Mr. Julius Malema, mirhangeli wa EFF. A hi swi tekelanga nhlokweni loko Papa Penny va swi vulavula, but sweswi ko ra swi vonaka hikuva se hi luze un'wana wa rikwerhu. Hi luze n'wana wa 19 years. Nhlamulo Sambo. N'wana ka nga ri na swidyoho swa tiko ka nga swi tiveki ku why tiko ri yimise leswi. Through nhlangano wa March and March lowu rhangelaka hi Mfarisi Phakela Mthakati. Wu rhangelaka hi xivuru lexi va ngo va ri Ngizwe Mkhunu. Guys, mina ni ntukulu wa Mazulu, mana mina Mzulu. But I don't condone leswi Mazulu ma nga ku swi endle na South Africa. Hi ri Gaza hi tetani. A hi acteni, even though hi acta se swi ka swi vava hikuva hi luze un'wana wa rikwerhu, luze un'wana socha, hi luze un'wana president ya mundzuku, loyi n'wana a hi swi tivi ku mundzuku a byi n'wi khomele yini mhaka ya March and March leyi. A ni ku tanihi Gaza hi stopeli hinkwaswo swi nga ku swi endleni ka social media swo ka swi nga pfuni nchumu, swa kulwa swa tibifi, swa ku salana ndzhaku, swa ku hlekana, hi khomanga. Hi ni da Mavenda, hi ni da Mapedi, hi ni da Valovedi, hi ni da even vanhu vo huma a Mozambique, we need them because va wela ka Matsonga, ka Machangana. Vanhu vo huma a Zimbabwe hava nida, Makalanga hava nida. Hi ni da support, hi yima tani hi Gaza nation. Whosoever la nga affected hi mhaka leyi as a ri part ya Gaza. A hi stopeni swin'wana leswaku maybe khoma ti-topic ta ku hi la ku voniwa ka social media, hi la ku filiwa. hi acta ko swi hi tsandzeni ku acta loko Zylo a vulavula hi swona swilo leswi swi hi tsandzeni ku acta loko Papa Pheni wa vula hi swona swi hi tsandzeni ku acta loko President Malema a vulavula hi swona president wa EFF ni ngheni swa politics mina ni hava political party leyi ni supportaka however loko munhu a vulavula ntiyiso vulavula ntiyiso ha acta ku acta ka hina hi ku acta ka social media hi vulavula hi rasa hi la ku beriwa mavoko hi va ka mhani cause va ka mhani loko ingaku vulavula ngopfu va kota ku va ku bela mavoko we do something a hi kumeni loyara tanihi Gaza loyara ra straight hi fayila maphepha hi yisa Ngizwe na Phakela Mthakati a court cause hi vona ti-main instigator ta swilo leswiwa ku fa vanhu mhaka ya vona loko I believe sweswi va nga ku swindleni they are registered as a NPO ku na loyi a va fandaka meaning ku ri ku na vurhangeri byo karhi byi tivekaka cause a va nga tandi sweswo ku nga ndliwi ti-jog meeting swi ri va endla ti-jog meeting cause maphorisa va tlhela va sapota whatsoever loyi a nga murhangeri wa swa march and march must take accountability must take responsibility must be accountable for rifu ra n'wana loyi hi na vana lava nga swikolweni a handle hi na vana lava nga swikolweni South Africa leyi hinkwayo a va safe vana va hina hi mhaka ku munhu i vulavula Xitsonga i vulavula Xichangani Garagasta wu nereleleke that must come to an end. Let's not believe in talking, guys. Let's believe in acting. Let's act as a nation ya Gaza. Let's act in unity ya Gaza. Limpopo hinkwayo we are affected. Ani dana, guys. Loko ho ka hi nga stop swilo leswiwa hi nga set example ta fele vanhu ene mi tsundzuka na vana lava va hlongolaka vatswari lava va hlongolaka va le Mozambique va le Zimbabwe vana la loko n'wana o ze a beburiwa a tikweni ro karhi hi vatswari vo huma a handle n'wana loyi i qualify ku kuma a citizenship ya tiko rero loko munhu wo karhi o za tshama a tikweni ro karhi a heta 5 years loko ku ri i te hi nawu i deserve ku kuma a citizenship a hi promote ku ri vanhu a va double ti-border ta hina va nghena va ta hi onhela vo huma handle no we don't promote that and we will never condone that or whatsoever. However lexi xi lavaka loko munhu a ri South Africa a ri legal irrespective ya ku ri u vulavula language yini he's a South African i pfumeleriwile ni nge fiki ni ri Mutsonga tetano ni fike KwaZulu-Natal ngikhulume isiZulu fluently never ngoba ngiphuma kuphi ngiphume eGiyani ngimshangana ngumtsonga and I'm proud of being Tsonga. So guys hi nga feli hi rixaka hi mhaka nation yin'wana yi lava ku teka power yi titwa nga ku yona yi strong a hi yimeni ku hlanganiwa hi nga hlangani ka social media guys a ku nge weni plan loko ku ri faneke we book stadium tanihi vanhu va le Limpopo we book the stadium hi ya vulavula timhaka leti hi teka goza kwalano Ngizwe va ri Ngizwe or Ngquza Mchuni na Phakela Mthakati mi destroy tiko ra hina hi va4 Xizulu na xi tiva ni mama Izulu nge mi hlamuli Izulu ni Mutsonga mina and I'm proud of being Tsonga person loyi ni tshamaka a Giyani a Limpopo mi nge ti hi va4 loko mi ta Limpopo and loko mo ta June leyiwa ku na madlala mi ya ngomeni hinkwenu hi nge dungeriwi tiko hi vanhu vambirhi government yi langutini. I believe those guys, they are pushing a certain agenda, a certain campaign for certain political organizations because they are being sponsored by various people. One of them even got a car. They gifted him a car. I don't know what car is that. I think it's Ford, something like that. Gave a raptor, nge kanzi raptor, Phakela Mthakati wa ri mfana. A kombela na mali ya food ya 5 million kombisa ku ri undla swilo leswa hi ku twa ku vava hi luze n'wana a hi yimeni Gaza a hi stopeni tinyimpi hinkwato ta unnecessary a hi stopeni ku influence vanhu hi ti-content ta unnecessary hi langutana na rifu ra Nhlamulo Sambo loyi a nga fa ka hi nga swi tiveki n'wana ku ri i dlayeriwa yini onhe yini n'wana i nandzu ku va i ri Mchangani i nandzu ku va i ri Mutsonga i nandzu ku va i ri Mvenda i nandzu ku va i ri Mpedi i ri Mlovedi. That must come to an end. I have a child, guys. Mina, loko ku hlanganiwa kwini, ni nge vulavuli hi phone. I will drive. If I have to fly, I will take a flight. I will come. Hi hlangana tanihi Matsonga. Hi endla swilo swa straight. Justice for Nhlamulo Sambo. lexi xi nga kona ku solva mhaka leyi I ku ri Ngquza Mkhuni na Phakela Mthakathi a va yisiwa a court a va pfuleriwa criminal case ku na ti-charges ta serious because they are main instigators hi vona va phuxaka mhaka leyi ya March and March yi nga heleli emilon'weni guys. Let's act khomana tanihi Gaza Nation. Vana va hina va le swikolweni va ha ta dlayiwa vanhu. Even na vatswari van'wana luya a va safe lava nga sala kona, a va safe lava nga sala kona, a hi swi tivi tanihi Matsonga ku endleka yini hi vona. So mina Anuku a hi zameni ku hi rivala. Let's forget about all the differences that we had previously or whatever situation that is going through at this particular juncture. Hi concentrate ka timhaka ta ku hi protecta vana va hina. Hina vana, mina I've got 13 kids. I believe 2, 3 faneke va tikuma va ti university hi minkarhi ya sweswiwa. So vana va hina they are not safe. Zaila, Papa Penny, Mr. Julius Malema, loko hi lo mingisela a hi ta va nga luzanga n'wana wa hina hi acta. Mazulu ma hi manipulator, Mazulu ma fila ingaku ma controla tiko and Mazulu mo va nchumu. I nge controliwi munhu o ka nga yangi na le ngomeni wa nga tiveki ku ri vununa I yini. Justice for Nhlamulo Sambo. Let's act. A hi hlanganiseni nhloko hi kuma maloyara hi va yisa a court va yisa lava va 2 ku chajiwa vona. Rifu ra n'wana luya le mavokweni ya Ngizwe Mqunu na Phakela Mthakathi. General wa vulavula ni ta fuma Gaza ndzeni yafa na ha fuma loko ni ri masirheni loko ni ri jele ni ta va na ha fuma vafarisi na vayuda.
Greetings everybody. Guys, this is bad. To understand that nobody is safe. Our Tsonga friends are not safe. Our Venda friends are not safe. Our friends with dark skin are not safe. Basically, nobody is safe and we don't know how many people are going to die. The president needs to do something about this and police need to intervene. This needs to stop. A young boy was killed. Nhlamulo was killed because of his Tsonga. And they killed him because they thought or otla from outside, foreign, right? I'm not falling chanchara the idea high or passport whatsoever, but mulehilo tuna limpia. And now I'm asking myself how many people are gonna die. And now on the comment section we see people that they're asked by Uber drivers, where are you from? You say I'm from Limpopo, I'm Venda. They say no Venda, Makwerekwere. Even you say you're Tsonga, So that means our friends who are dark skinned or who don't speak, who don't have the other languages than Babalang Tsonga, Babalang Venda, they're gonna be killed. So I don't know why President debates. Why? Because this is getting out of hand, guys. Can the police intervene? Can the military intervene? Because we can't live like this. Now I thought undocumented and because they are not documented, which we are all supporting, but now it's getting out of hand, right? So guys, this is frustrating, Shem. And in the trust in school, obviously show me. That's all the time. School is important. School is important. The kelanyana tsa batho tsa ba sa keneng sekolo tsa go tlhoka mmereko tsa go tlhoka moshomo chomi ke bona ba tswa re bolayang. You feel like what's gonna happen? We don't know. You may be next. So I think we need to pray for our country. The president needs to do something about this as soon as possible, because blood is gonna be shed. Kumazol Bay, 8 people were killed. Kumazol Bay, 8. So my question is, how many people are going to die? Ka tetisa June on ax akiti chumaritu irahalang ko parte tswalele good kunza reneng stele. Aritu irahalang ho sinyeha chomi. And when I'm excited about the match, I get excited again because bobola batho. Chomo bola chuma e dark for being dark skin chomo mlaya. Bobola chuma because of obolela stonga. Bomla for obola Venda chomi. For it is Zulu, it is Bomulaya, Chomi. Do you understand what Beloswa? Yo!
Malweni bantu bami ke sana lento yenzeke eKapa ingathi kuthi kanti ibiqaleka igqibelisa ayizuphinde yenzeke ngoba xa sizoqhuba kanje ngoku sivuyisa umtyholi, sivuyisa aba bantu babesithi ekugqibeleni sizojikelana sodwa. Xa sizobulalana sodwa ke loo nto ithi sijikelene. Bethunana amaTsonga ngawase-SA. AmaTsonga ngawase-SA. Uye wafumana eMpumalanga koomkhuhlu, Bush kwelaa cala, akhona nakoomambombela, Nkomazi, awekho maninzi kwelaa cala kodwa akhona. Uye wafumana eLimpopo koomagiyane, Tzaneen. Akhona ke naseGoli, eGoli ke kuba kugcwele wonke umhlobo. So amaTsonga ngawase-SA. Amanye ke kanjengawakumkhuhlu, Mpumalanga, kuba benifunde kwelaa cala, ayathanda uthi ngamaTshangane. So xa umuva esithi ulishangane ungacinga uba uthi ungowangaphandle. No, ulishangane, batsho njalo. Bayathanda ke banale mpi yabo ifana namampondo namaXhosa. AmaTsonga waseGiyani nawakomkhuhlu, Bush, ayathanda ungavani kakuhle. Amanye esithi angamashangana, amanye esithi angamaTsonga, kodwa onke ngawala e-SA. So xa umuva umuntu esithi ulishangane, no, akathi ungowangaphandle, ngowaseMpumalanga, kolu cala loBush, ntoni. So guys, masingaqhubini ngeli hlobo. Besiyiqale kakuhle le nto, so ngoxa sizokwenza kanje siyayibhuda.
The content abo shubula ku, you are not one of them. The content creators, the influencers, nkarhi wa ku tirhisa the influence that you have, nubula n'wina va maTsonga, nubula n'wina va maVenda ku va hi vulavula. We cannot sit back and allow this. Mindzuku n'wana wa wena, mindzuku n'wana wa wena, mindzuku hi wena. You will be humiliated hi mhaka ya ku va i karhi i tsandzeka ku humesa kumbe i nga swi lavi ku humesa ID ya wena, or ku va i karhi i tsandzeka ku vulavula language ya vona. A hi bohi hi nchumu ku vulavula ti-language ta vona, a hi bohi hi nchumu. A ku na munhu loyi a bohekaka ku va a kota language yin'wanyana, because they can't. A va xi tivi hambi ku ri Xitsonga xa hina, a va xi tivi hambi ku va ku ri Xivenda ku xi vulavula. Why loko fanekele u ti prove ku ri wena you are a South African, fanekele u va u vulavula Zulu? You know, truly speaking, aka Facebook loko Zaila a sungula that thing ya yena hi ku maybe na character ya yena kumbe munhu n'wi tolovele hi ku a tlanga, I thought like, this guy mara why a endla swilo swa so, why a nga humi ka swona hi speed. Like I was even afraid ni ku phela va nga n'wi inana lava hi ku i vanhu va ku ngati a yi va endli nchumu. But now I understand, na swi twisisa, and I understand ku ri hi ri maTsonga, hi ri maVenda. That's why ku na swi tiva na le ka tindhawu to tala hambi wo va u ri Joni u ri kwihi, maTsonga swa tinyimpinyimpi a hi swa hina. A ni vulavuli swinyimpanyimani leswaku hi holova ku holoviwa lani hi xihina ku rhuketelaniwa swilo swo ka swi nga pfuni nchumu, mara hi swa tinyimpinyimpi a hi swa hina. Mara let us be vocal about this. A hi tirhiseni influence ya hina lava hi nga na influence ku va hi voice out, because swilo swi le ku onhakeni ene swa ha to onhaka. Swi onhakini basically loko ku ri ku va kota se va sungurini van'wanyana ku va dlaya van'wanyana, swi vula ku se swi onhakini. Ni vone na post whereby sesi wa n'wana luya a nga kombisa mhana yena va nga n'wi sendela message aka WhatsApp va ku va va terini futhi va ku hi kombi ku Mashangani lomu kun'wanyana makwini. Yo, hi.
Hello Mzansi, welcome to Mgosi waseMzansi. Tonga people are saying ukuthi i-march and march must stop what they are doing. They must stop these marches. Ngemva kokuthi kubulawe Nhlamulo Sambo, who is from Limpopo, Giyani. Lekuthiwa bambulalele ukuthi ukhuluma Xitsonga nangokuthi he is dark skinned, so bamistake ngokuthi ul-foreigner. And I'm just asking myself ukuthi loku abantu be-march and march, they are not deleting ma-foreigner. And then indike njani lento lena, like I'm just asking myself, but may his soul rest in peace. Do comment your thoughts down in the comment section. Don't forget to hit the notification bell. I'll see you on the next one. I'm signing out. Goodbye.